I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs in the mid to upper 40s this afternoon, increasing cloud cover leads to even cooler and more seasonal highs in the mid 30s to the low 40s over the weekend. We do have 2 chances of precipitation with low pressure tracking across the southern plains. That first wave bringing that slight chance of light rain or snow to areas south of I-80 into Kansas through this evening. Only trace amounts expected. Accumulating snow is likely for the Panhandle to northeastern Colorado tomorrow through tomorrow night. Snow accumulation should range mostly 1 to 4 inches, but the southern Panhandle to north central Colorado could see upwards of 4 to 7 inches. An inch or less of snow is possible from west central Nebraska to northwest Kansas. Those snow chances decreasing farther east where there is drier air. A ridge of high pressure warms our highs to around 50 for Monday through Wednesday. Cooler weather and wintry precipitation moving in by next weekend. Checking the long-term forecast, seasonal temperatures are expected for Nebraska and Kansas the middle portion of next week. That's before slightly cooler than normal temperatures next weekend through February 22nd. During that time in central Nebraska, daytime highs are usually in the low 40s with average overnight lows in the upper teens. Slightly above normal precipitation in the forecast for Wednesday through February 22nd in Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors influencing the markets include cooler temperatures with several storms in the U.S. that include snow across the southwestern plains, rain decreasing for central Brazil, and multiple chances of heavy rain in Argentina. Additional storminess emerging from the western U.S. maintains unsettled weather across the south the next several days. 5-day rainfall could reach 2 to 4 inches or more from eastern Texas to the southern Appalachians. Wet snow may accumulate across the northern edge of the precipitation shield, starting across the southern plains this weekend and ending along the mid-Atlantic coast for Tuesday. Rather typical temperatures for mid-February gradually overspread the central and eastern U.S., replacing previously warm conditions. Despite the absence of sustained wintry conditions, wheat continues to mostly overwinter well. Only 14% of U.S. winter wheat is experiencing drought. That's down from a peak of 49% last fall. Across central Brazil, scattered rain this weekend decreases and becomes isolated for next week. Soil moisture is not favorable in central Brazil for second crop corn being planted, and heavy rain is needed the next 2 months for a good crop. Southern Brazil is in line for widespread rain this weekend that could be significant. Argentina's rainfall is improving after a dry stretch and triple-digit heat. Rain could linger through next week in Argentina, where heavy rain is needed. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of the ag weather.